Hi YouTubers, this is JR's Diecast Cars back with another video, and this video is going to be green lights, and the castings are the California Lowriders Series 1. I've had these ever since they come out, and I've just had them stored. I've already pre-cracked, and the first one we're going to look at is a 63 Chevy Impala. I've really been waiting on to get these out. And these cars are sweet. Man, the detail work is fantastic. All the wheels on this one look pretty good. Here's the motor. Looks good. Looks good. The side. I say the front detail. Rear detail. Yeah, green light done really decent on this so far. That's what I can tell. Let's see, the next one going to be a 64 Chevy Impala. I really like the paint job on this. This thing is, the paint job is crazy looking. It's really cool. Yeah, look at that. That is so tough looking. That's neat as heck. And a rear detail. These cars are dream cars anymore, man. I remember when I was a kid, I seen these on the roads when I was a teenager. Not painted like that, but more like this. Next one is a 85 Chevy Caprice. The Caprice is a good vehicle. Always have been, I think. Back then it was. Headlights. Boy, they are definitely lowered to the ground. That's for sure. Wow. Nice. Really nice. There's that one. Then the next one is a 87 Chevy Caprice. I like this one here as well. Look at all the work on the top of that. That is wicked. That is really, really cool looking. I'm shaky today for some reason. Do not know why, but it is what it is. And there's the tail lights. Yeah, sweet looking castings. Next two, I really like these castings. I love the big boats. That's why I love those cars. They're like big boats running down the highway. Next one's in a 73 Cadillac Coupe Deville. Oh, these cars here are something. Look at that. Man, this was like Boss Hog coming down the road. These cars was big, man. But I love these big boats. They're beautiful riding cars. Just almost like you're right on air. And here's a four-door version. It's 73 Cadillac sedan Deville. And these big ones are, wow. It's pretty color. All these are nice castings. Look at that. Man, I could just see these going back down the road nowadays. Oh, I miss those days tremendously. Yeah. These was real cars back then. I mean, they got good ones out, nice ones out nowadays, but not like these. These things are Oh man, beautiful, beautiful castings. Yeah, I love these big cars, man. So when I was younger, I definitely drove quite a few different vehicles in my life. But guys, this about 6, 7 minutes long, but we're gonna call it on this one here. Y'all have a blessed day, and just enjoy what you're doing. You know, I mean, this hobby is supposed to be fun, and let's keep it that way. But no drama in the world and stuff. We got enough of that going on. But y'all have a blessed evening, and I will see you on the next one.